Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Libra for the month of February 2026. This is a general reading guys, please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So in this reading we'll see the overall energies for the month, key obstacles and challenges, actions and advice, your key strength and opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck, so please do stay till the end. So let's see what do the cards have for Libra. What do the cards have for Libra for February? Overall energy for Libra please for February. Okay, all right. Okay, let's see what are the key obstacles or challenges we have for Libra. Obstacles or challenges for Libra please. Obstacles and challenges for Libra in February. Please clarify Nine of Wands. Wow. Okay, done my cards. After this we'll take some rest. Okay, all right, let's see what are the actions or advice we have for Libra. Actions or advice for Libra. Actions or advice for Libra for February 2026. Okay, good. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. I think a card flipped. Okay, let's see the strength and opportunities for Libra. Oops. Done. Strength and opportunities for Libra please. Strength and opportunities for Libra for February 2026. Okay. Probable outcome please for Libra in February. Probable outcome. Okay. Please clarify the Sun card. What's the probable outcome for Libra? Wow, Sun card and the World card. Good. Okay. So bottom of the deck we have Three of Pentacles. So bottom of the deck energy is basically the energy, the subconscious energies or energies you are dealing lately, or you may not be actually thinking about it a lot or talking about it a lot or acknowledging it basically, but yeah, it's happening deep down. So I see that Libra, that you are focusing on improving your finances. Also I see that you might be planning to meet people or discuss your ideas or share your plans, your strategies on how you can improve your finances. I also see for some of you are planning to meet a spiritual guru, maybe for some of you a mentor who can help you understand finances better or make a financial management kind of thing is what you are somewhere planning to start or maybe focus on, right? So that is what I'm getting here for you Libra. The overall energy for you in the month of February I see is you are having so many ideas, different strategies coming to you, and it's like getting ideas suddenly, but you need to grab it. Okay, you need to grab that opportunity and work on it. Okay, because this card is a card of growth. This card is a card of having creative ideas, logical thinking, so many of thoughts coming in on how to make things better, where you can grow, where you can improve in your life, what you have to do next, and how you can work much better maybe in your workplace, how you can perform in a much better way. So you are having so many different ideas, sorry, you are having so many different ideas, but you need to grab it. Okay, you need to grab that particular idea which you think is good for you and start working on it. You know, start executing your plans, bring your plans into action is what I am getting here. So this energy is for the overall month, right? Right, that you need to, you know, अगर आप किसी चीज़ के लिए प्लान कर रहे थे, अगर आपने पूरा स्ट्रैटेजी बना के रखा है and you have everything clear and you just need to take action, so start, you know, taking action, start working on your plans. Be mindful of, you know, thoughts, your ideas, your creativity, and don't let it go to waste. Okay, so that is what the message I'm here getting here for you, Libra. Okay, now the obstacle here is you might be feeling tired. Okay, you might be you might be feeling like I have done a lot of things I have been dealing with and now I am tired, and you are focusing on what is missed, you know, focusing on missing opportunity or missed opportunities. So what you have to do is you have to change your perspective. Okay, जैसे you know, for example, अगर कोई ऐसा connection था आपके life में, you know, which is जहाँ पे for whatever reason that connection has broken, or you know, you are not in the same terms how it used to be before, and you are focusing on where things went wrong and how you can make it better. So you need to change your perspective. Okay, so if things have ended, you need to, you know, you can try, if something is still you think can work out, just try to create that balance and try to focus on it. If not, just change your perspective, take the lesson, and move on towards your journey. Okay, don't be, you know, don't keep crying over the spilt milk. Okay, whatever is gone, you need to change your perspective. जो भी आपकी emotional heaviness है, whatever you know you are dealing with at an emotional level and you are not sharing with others, you need to release that. Okay, you are coming out as a wounded soul, but you are not defeated here, just keep that in mind. Okay, so जो भी आपका heaviness है at an emotional level, just release that. Maybe this card is that you might be talking to a counselor also, right? As what I was saying, you might be planning to meet someone who can help you release your, you know, this emotional heaviness and may guide you towards your next step or journey ahead, right? Is what I am getting here. So this is the main obstacle for you, Libra, that you need to change your perspective and move on in your life towards your goal is the thing you need to do. Okay, now the action or advice here is, as I was saying, you will be having so many ideas, you need to grab it. Okay, once you grab it, you will see financial gains coming in for you. I see that there are some kind of financial gains happening, maybe some kind of reward you have been waiting for, you will be getting it. It can be an unexpected financial gain, a bonus, a reward, a recognition coming your way. Okay, some kind of growth, financial growth is coming your way, I see, in February month for you, Libra. Okay, at the same time, all I am saying that you need to, you know, be very mindful of, जब आपको, you know, whenever you are getting any opportunity like this, or you are being blessed with something like this by the universe, don't how do you say, don't take it for granted, or don't get into that arrogance wala mindset, right? Just try to be normal, try to create balance, and be mindful of your actions, your reaction to it, your response to it. And बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ गेन हुआ है तो आपको कहीं पे भी आंख बंद करके आपको उस चीज़ को इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर देना है, या फिर ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि हवा में नहीं उड़ जाना है, राइट? सो you are given a blessing by the universe. Be thankful for it, be grateful for it, but don't let it overpower you, that money thing, right? So be in balance with your emotion. Okay, हो सकता है at the same time जब आपको ये financial gain मिले, so there will be some other responsibilities are coming your way along with this financial gain, and you may be like, I was not expecting this also will come along with this gain, right? So it's like you are being blessed, but at the same time you are being given additional responsibility, right? So you have to create a balance between that thing. Just an example I'm telling you, if you are given a promotion in your workplace, then don't expect that the promotion is coming without any additional responsibility, right? If you are being promoted to a higher designation, or if you are being promoted to a new role, that is coming definitely with an additional opportunity. Okay, so there is something which will be revealed along with this gain to you, okay? And that might cause, ki why do I have to do that? Why do I have to take the additional responsibility? Whatever I have gained is from my own hard work. Why am I supposed to add on the new things in my list, right? So उस तरह का थोड़ा you might feel emotionally imbalanced. So don't lose patience. Just try to be try to stay calm, try to not react to anything, ऐसे फटाक से react नहीं करना है. Stay calm, try to understand the situation, and if you want you can talk about it in a most polite way, but don't react to it, okay? That is what I am getting here. Now the strength I am getting here for you, something is moving, okay? Something is moving fast, maybe the financial gain, recognition, appreciation, rewards coming in unexpectedly, ऐसे sudden से चीज़ें move हो रही है. It can be a travel, also a vacation maybe, but there is growth. जो भी movement हो रहा है ना, there is growth coming in, okay? I also see that you will be communicating in a much more better way. जो भी आपका emotional turmoil था, as I said, जो भी आपका emotional ups and downs होंगे, आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज कर पाओगे, उसको आप बहुत स्टेबिलिटी के साथ हैंडल कर पाओगे, इज़ वॉट आई एम गेटिंग हेयर फॉर यू. यू डोंट हैव टू lose patience, you don't have to panic, you don't have to react to a particular situation. If things are moving fast, you have to stay stable, right? अगर कुछ मूव हो रहा है, कुछ ups and downs हो रहे हैं, but you have to be stable, you have to be grounded, you have to be you have to act in a mature way, okay? So that is what is also I'm getting here for you, Libra, in the month of February. So you will be stable, you will overcome all the challenges, but as I said, don't react to any particular thing. Just change your perspective, have patience, and be grateful for whatever is coming your way. Be grateful for all the blessings coming your way, okay? Now the outcome here is definitely something is changing for good, okay? These both are major arcana cards, okay? So these both have come as the outcome, and they both are success card, okay? So things are moving in a much better way towards good things, okay? It can be for some of you may be अगर आप बहुत टाइम से फॉरेन ट्रैवल या फॉरेन रिलोकेट करने का प्लान कर रहे हो, so there are very good chances that you will ultimately take that step. I also see that आप जिस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे, जिस चीज़ के लिए भी आपने बहुत मेहनत की है, उसमें you are going to get success. The sun is shining bright, okay? So जो भी है आपको उसमें सक्सेस मिलेगी. You have the support of the universe. It's like the wheel is turning in your favor, okay? So whatever you have been waiting for, those things will definitely turn in your favor, or at least start to turn in your favor. You will start seeing the positive outcome, or at least the positive signs, positive news you will start hearing for those particular things, okay, which you have been really waiting for to turn in your favor, okay? So this is a message I have for you, Libra, for February month. It is a very good reading. All you have to do is just change your perspective. Don't keep crying over over things what is gone. Rather be grateful for whatever you are blessed with, and be stable, be humble, be polite, be stable, and deal with the things in a more mature way, okay? And you will get the success, you will get the positive outcome. It's a beautiful reading, guys. Now let's see what are the message, what's the guiding message we have for you, Libra, for February. What's the guiding message we have for you for February? What's the guiding message? Okay. Knight. See, be brave and honest, right? As I was saying, you need to be stable. आपको stable रहने की ज़रूरत है. At the same time, be clear in whatever you want, right? अगर ऐसे जैसे मैंने example दिया था कि if something is being adding on in your responsibility, be clear about it. What do you expect from it, okay? How you are going to deal with it, how you can make it in a much better way, being जो favorable है आपके लिए भी और organization के लिए भी, उस तरह से. So you have to be brave and honest. Brave and honest here is like, don't run away, don't be afraid of moving on from something which has which has ended and which is making you feel stuck. Don't be stuck and this energy of this wounded, right? Don't be in this wounded energy. Rather be brave and ready to move on, right? Don't give up on any situation. Don't doubt your potential, don't doubt yourself, don't underestimate yourself, but be clear, okay? So this is the energy and messages I have for you, Libra, for February. Please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.